Traders, how are you guys? September 6, 2018, after the market closed. It's a Thursday. I'm going to provide another trading report on BioAmber, ticker symbol BIOAQ. The reason for this report, I stated that I would stop reporting on this, but I would come back from time to time, and I am. I've been posting about BioAmber on Twitter. When I noticed the bottom, I said, hey, it looks like it's heading higher. Or then I sort of turn around, I saw selling pressure coming in, buyers stepping away, made that comment, and then I stated there's another bottom. It looks like there's going to be a pop, and we're at 3.1 right now, 0.031, just a little over 3 cents. So I figured I'd do this report because I have a few people sending me direct messages asking me if there's anything interesting moving forward, if it still looks like a long. They just wanted to get my take on it. And happy to tell you guys that it still looks like she wants to go higher. It looks like she wants to fill her gap. What I just hope, what I really hope is the traders can trade the stock without any interference of news. Because news hits, whatever I tell you is not going to matter anyway, regardless, because once the courts provides whatever type of liquidations or whatever type of assets being purchased by other companies, my honest belief is the language of what I see right now is going to change, right? I'm pretty much reading the outcome of what's going to happen coming in tomorrow into the near future. Now, when news comes out, it could ruin the language and then change it and then create, the language is similar, but just create something else than what it's stating right now. So traders are in this, and I can tell they're in this by the trading movements. So there's a lot of traders playing this play on the day-to-day basis. She does look like she's headed higher. We see a reversal. We see higher lows over here. The only thing right now is you see how this green bar closed right here, right at resistance. I don't think that's too much to worry about. If she breaks that tomorrow, I honestly believe BioAmber can fill her gap, and her gap is, just bear with me, and I'll let you know where her gap is. Her gap is approximately this price level, about 6.5 cents. I would love her to fill her gap. Traders who are in this at a penny, 2 cents, or just getting in at 2.5 or so. That's a great profit right there. And for investors that got smacked and got in at those higher levels, and maybe even bought some more shares to average their price down at the low levels of a penny and change. I'm rooting for you guys. I really hope she heads higher. Remember, I don't hold this position overnight just because of what's going on with BioAmber, but I do watch her, and I tend to day trade her from time to time. It's not like I day trade her every single day, but when I see a clear picture, I might nibble at her. I don't go crazy. I don't buy a huge amount of shares. Just something to make a little money when I see something. I'm just skeptical holding her overnight. Doesn't mean she's not going to go up. I'm just scared that the news is going to come out and it's terrible, and then she just gaps down below a penny a share. I really don't want to have my money in for that. But individuals who got in at a higher price really don't have a choice, right? Traders who are in this, they see the volume, they're getting in, they're making their money, they're trading it. Day traders are in the morning, they're out by 4 p.m., okay? So keep your eyes on her. I know you guys, some of you guys been struggling because you got in at a higher price, and other guys are making money on this. Think she's headed higher moving forward. Let's just hope that news does not ruin the pattern that's created. Because if any news comes out, it could destroy the pattern, and then it will not do what I believe she should do. Okay? So we're looking at about 6.5 cents as far as if she does go higher, she has to fill her gap. That's the theory in general. When it gaps down, it has to fill its gap before she keeps going down, or she has to close her gap. if she wants to head that direction moving forward. Okay, so in theory, she has to fill her gap at least, and that's about 6.5 cents. I'm just, basically when it comes to courts and everything, anything could play out. News could come prior to the open or during the day or after the close, and then the whole language gets disrupted. We want to make sure there's no disruption. It can go to that price level. Hopefully you guys profited, and the ones who got in at higher prices got out for maybe a small gain or a small loss, but nothing dramatic. Hope you guys make money. I'm rooting for you guys. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. If you want to take a live trading course with myself, feel free to send me a message, give me a call, and I'll try to reach out to you as soon as I get a chance.